It's now time to actually install Apache and PHP. All right, great. So now I'm logged into my server and now I'm going to start by installing Apache. Now all of our commands here, I'm going to be using sudo in front of the commands because most of them need admin privileges to run the command. I'm using DNF that's our package installer. Install httpd mod _ssl. Okay, and so this is going to install Apache. Is this okay? So yes, I'm going to install that. Now I like to start that service. So systemctl start httpd, and I'm now going to enable httpd. Excellent. So that's Apache installed. Now I'm just going to verify that installation. Sudo systemctl status httpd. And it's running and it's listening on that server. So that's all we need to do to get Apache running. But now we've got a few other things to install. And so next I'm going to install PHP. Sudo, again, we're going to use DNF, search PHP, and I'm going to type 8.1. Sudo DNF install PHP 8.1. Now, if you're watching this video at a later date, you want to actually have a look for what's the more recent version of PHP that you want to install. And now let's verify that installation. Okay, good. So PHP is installed. Okay, so now that we've installed Apache and PHP, we'll actually be able to test our basic little website running and our little web server. So I haven't configured the domain or anything yet. So I'm just going to copy this IP address and pop it into the browser. And you'll see here, it comes up with, it works. That's the basic default template that we get from Apache to show that that has installed and it's running. Now we need to configure that extra disk that I was telling you about, because we're going to reconfigure Apache to point to a different default location. We want the web files to be on that separate disk.